Tonight is a very special day, special night because yeah, again and again, all of the speakers are women. Yeah. Is this the second lady night? Okay. I hope another friends also can join us tonight from BBC. Okay, yes, we have another man. Okay, well, smart listener, and as you know, this program is the English learning program in collaboration with BBC Makassar. And before we get to know what BBC is from the members, we have to know first who are our speakers for tonight. And yeah, guys, how are you?
Fine. Hi.
Good.
Hi. We are good.
Great.
Okay, so we have Mrs. Dewi.
Hi.
And also Miss Husna.
Halo Kak.
And
Miss Eni Kak.
yeah, Annie. Oh my God. Okay, and we have Annie here and
Miss Tandri Kak.
Tenri.
Tandri.
Okay, Tenri, welcome. And the last one is Mr. Brian. Okay. Well, guys, in collaboration with BBC Makassar, this program is running every Thursday night, and we are happy to invite you to join our conversation tonight and talking about our topic. But before that, let my friends tell you about BBC Makassar. Please, Miss Husna.
Okay, smart listener. So BPC or Benteng Panyo English Club is the oldest community in Makassar. So if you wanna learn related with English like pronunciation and etc., you can join us at Benteng Rotterdam. But because Corona still exists, we moved to through online at 10 a.m. until 2 p.m.
That every
Yes.
Every Sunday, yeah?
Yes, every Sunday.
Okay, well, so BBC is Benteng Panyo English Club, which is the oldest English communities in Makassar, which they have daily or weekly meeting
Yes, weekly meeting.
that they hold every Sunday, where you can learn English, you can practice your skill in English, and yeah, you get a new friends on BP with BBC Makassar. Well, so do not hesitate to join their weekly meeting. Yeah, well, smart listener, and also you are guys, especially who coming to our studio tonight. I'm gonna ask you, how's your feeling knowing Indonesian athlete winning the competition in Olympiad Tokyo 2020. How's your feeling, Miss Devi?
Of course, I'm really surprising because it is, even though it is not the first time, but it is for the first Tokyo champion. Yeah.
Okay. The history has made by
Yeah.
the two women of Indonesia.
Yes.
So,
Everybody feel exciting, and of course, like me, if I could express about myself that I can give anything, or I can give some things for my country also, like what they did for our country. Yeah.
Okay.
I would like to do that, but the only thing I can do that's praying and give them spirit. Yeah.
Okay. Is this a good gift for Indonesia in our Independent Days, Miss Tendri? Do you think is this the best gift for Indonesia on our Independent Days,
Yes.
which is coming very soon?
Yeah, I think it's like independent days, and because we have our champion from badminton. Yeah, it's gold. Yeah.
Okay. Miss Annie, how's you feeling?
I think I'm very proud of these two.
Are you crying watching the show, watching the competition?
It was so amazing. Saw them fight until the end, and then they break until the final. That was very very awesome.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
So, what about you, Mr. Brian? How's your feeling? I want to know your feeling, everyone who get this, how to say, this is our victory.
Yeah, I'm really happy to see Indonesian gold medal in badminton Tokyo Olympiad. Yeah, because they made the history again, and I mean how to say, dari 9 tahun yang lalu, they made it.
Last 9 years.
Yeah, last 9
9
years ago. They made the gold medal also in badminton, in the same champion.
Okay.
And also we proud of the single man in badminton who got the bronze medal. Yeah, and
Okay.
that's the history that made in Tokyo Olympiad
Yes,
2020.
This one of how to say, this one of the victory for Indonesia, and also I believe that we are all Indonesian people very proud of the athletes, and but the struggle still needed.
Yes.
With another unit of sports. So why I ask you this question, because I want to know how you're feeling. I want to, how to say, the glory or Indonesia winning the medal in Tokyo Olympic is one of the, how to say, the struggle and the sacrifice pay off with a long, before they winning the competition, there's a lot of tears, there's a lot of sacrifice. It's a long story to tell, and sometimes we win, and sometimes also we learn from the fault, we learn from the loss. So guys, tonight we are going to talk about that, about the experience and something that we learn from our experience and from the moment that happens in our life. So you can tell us your experience, you can tell us your story and lesson you learn from it. And smart FM, smart listener, I mean, you can join our conversation tonight, which commenting on our live streaming on YouTube channel Smart FM Makassar, and also you can text us on our WhatsApp 0811461011.